Hey everyone, Dr. Shook here. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about something that no one talks about, but we need to have a conversation, especially if you're dealing with autoimmune conditions or if you're just constipated. So constipation and autoimmune conditions, it might surprise you, but they are connected through your immune system. And in particular, one of the things that can occur, or the first thing to think about, is your digestive tract is controlled and stimulated by your nervous system in the gut. It's called the enteric nervous system. Now, this is also called sometimes the second brain because there are so many neurons or nerve cells there that directly connect to the digestive tract. And when they fire, one of the things that they do is they create something called peristalsis, or wave-like muscular contractions that move food from north to south through the digestive tract. Now, this is really important, obviously, to keep the food moving through the gut so you can digest it. But one of the things that can occur is if your gut becomes inflamed, if you have bacterial imbalances or overgrowth, if you're under a lot of stress, if you are autoimmune and you have inflammation, if you have hypothyroidism. A lot of the people I work with have Hashimoto's, which is the most common autoimmune condition that causes hypothyroidism. That will cause the neurons to not be stimulated so the gut doesn't get activated and you don't get this peristalsis. There's a bunch of different things. I mean, head injuries. Did you know that? Like a concussion can literally cause and affect something called the vagus nerve and cause it not to fire and be as active. So that in and of itself can cause the digestive tract to slow, and it can cause constipation. So then the constipation causes bacterial overgrowth, and this can drive more inflammation. Now, when you have inflammation in the gut, it shifts our immune system into more of a T helper 2 dominant state. Okay, this is not to be too technical, but you need to kind of know a few things here. So when it shifts your gut into this more T helper 2 state, it's more of an antibody protective state versus a cellular Th1 protective state. The main thing you need to know here is that your immune system in that state will make an inflammatory cytokine, which is a protein that signals other cells, called interleukin 4. Now, interleukin 4 decreases the enteric nervous system's ability to repair. It inhibits something called autophagy and mitophagy, which prevents the nerve cells from cleaning up, from housekeeping from occurring. This leads them to not function as well and can further promote constipation. That leads to more bacterial overgrowth and the cycle continues. This can all lead to more of the problems that drive the autoimmune process.